Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to measure exposure inside your camera using the histogram. Histogram is a graphical representation of the exposure. It's a graph on the camera display which helps us to measure the exposure. It shows if your footage is well exposed or not. An over or underexposed footage really doesn't look good. So when you look at your histogram, you can see three different portions in your camera histogram. The first is the black area, second one is the gray area, and third one is the white area being shown on the histogram. The goal is to maintain the exposure in a way that maximum of the details are being captured. In an overexposed footage, the maximum details lies to the right of the histogram. In an underexposed footage, all the details lies to the left of the histogram. But in a perfectly exposed footage, all the exposure details lies in between, which is the gray area. When you are in your camera, make sure to adjust your exposure by looking at the histogram. Make sure to change the exposure as soon as you change the location or if you are moving into a different lighting condition. Well, that's all about histogram, which is a measuring tool we'll be using to measure the exposure. Well, let's move on to the next part where we are going to talk about focus and white balance. See you in the next video.